Hello everyone, welcome to General Science class. Today we are going to start chapter 5, that is plant reproduction. Reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a feature of living things. It is a process by which living beings produce young ones of their own kind. So like all living beings, plant also reproduce so that their species do not die out. In our previous video, we had studied about the process of pollination. Can you recall the process? So this process, pollination, occurs in flowering plants. What is pollination? The pollen grains are transferred from anther to stigma is called pollination, and pollination is the process that enables reproduction in plants. Last class we have studied about parts of flower. So have a look, male and female reproductive part of flower. So first, male reproductive part of flower. Stamen is the male reproductive part of the flower. It consists of the anther and the filament, and anther produces pollen grains. Now female reproductive part of flower. Carpel is the female reproductive part of the flower. Top part of the carpel is called the stigma. Stigma is supported by the style. Base part of the carpels is the ovary. Now let us see what exactly happens after pollination. So the next and the most important steps is fertilization. So once the pollination is successful, the next step is fertilization. What is fertilization? In fertilization, the male gamete in the pollen grains fuses with the female gamete inside the ovary. Fertilization forms the seeds inside the ovary. After fertilization, the ovary changes into fruit. That's why seeds are inside the fruit. Reproduction in plants can be categorized into two types. There are two types of reproduction in plants: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? Multiplication of plants without fusion of male and female gamete is known as asexual reproduction. And what is sexual reproduction? The fusion of male and female gamete is called sexual reproduction. So the formation of new plant through the fusion of male and female gamete is called sexual reproduction. So in sexual reproduction, new plants grow from seeds, and seeds are found within fruits, and fruits are formed from flowers. This is the life cycle of a plant. Sexual reproduction involves three major steps: pollination, fertilization, fruit and seed formation. Now fertilization. What is fertilization? The fusion of the male gamete with the female gamete is called fertilization. Now, as we know, fertilization forms the seed inside the ovary, and this seed later germinate into a new plant. So during fertilization, the following events takes place. Pollen grains germinate on the stigma and pollen tubes develop. the pollen tubes grows downwards into the style, and this pollen tube carry male gametes enters the ovule where egg cell is present. Thereafter what happened? Now the male gamete fuses with the female gamete. So this complete process of fertilization. Now next topic is formation of seeds. So what happens to the flower after fertilization? So there are some changes in flower after fertilization. Here some points given. Flower loses its bright color. Sepals, petals and stamens fall off, and ovary increases in size and becomes a fruit. Ovary wall becomes the fruit wall, and inside the ovary the ovules developed into seeds. Now next one is structure of seed. Seed is a reproductive structure that has a baby plant. The outer covering of the seed is called seed coat, and the part of the seed inside the seed coat stores food for the tiny baby plant until the baby plant starts producing its own food by photosynthesis is called cotyledons. There can be one or two cotyledons. The tiny baby plant inside the seed is called embryo. This baby plant is also known as seedling. Now let's revise. There are two types of reproduction in plants, asexual and sexual reproductions. In higher plants, the asexual reproduction is called vegetative reproduction. The fusion of male and female gamete is known as fertilization. What is sexual reproduction? The formation of new plant through the fusion of male and female gametes is known as sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction involves three major steps. These are pollination, fertilization, and third one fruit and seed formation. Fertilization occurs after pollination process. The ovary of a flower develops into a fruit. Pollen tube grows downwards into the style. Now next class we will study about dispersal of seeds and vegetative reproduction. So read the chapter carefully so that easily you can attempt exercise questions. Thank you.